Hi there and welcome back to another video. Today I will show you some behind the scenes footage from a shoot I did at NY Cars. You can check out their Instagram down here. So basically this idea I thought about for quite a while but never actually done it, so this is completely new for me. But yeah, I will walk you through the process of how I normally would film cars and how I operate during these video shoots. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so when I first arrive at a shoot, I usually check the surroundings and the location that I'm at and try to visualize how I want to shoot certain things. And this is basically what I've done at this point, and I've also rigged up the camera and make sure all my gear are good to go. It looks like I'm getting ready to start filming. Okay, so when I start filming the car or cars, I usually don't have a planned order that I want to follow. I just get right into it and start shooting. I usually try to get like 2 or 4 shots from each angle that I film. That is because if I mess up a shot, then I know I have backup footage to replace the bad ones with. Okay, so when it comes to scenes that require more detail, close-up shots as you can see here, I usually want to make sure that I get at least 4 tries or shots of that specific scene, just because detailed shots require more focus and a lot harder. And I try to get both panning and tilt shots because you don't want to have all the shots in the same type of motion, so to say. So every now and then I make sure to replay the footage that I've shot, just to make sure that everything is in focus and that the shot looks great. Yes, so about the gear that I use, the lens is a 24-35 in this case. It's a Sigma Art. In my opinion, it is a really good lens for close-ups or detailed shots because it's so sharp and it picks up every detail really good. Okay, so basically at this point I'm just moving around at the location and trying out different angles to see what works and what doesn't. I think this is a really cool shot with the GT86 in the background and filming through the black car. It gives a really cool contrast of the shot. So at this point I'm getting done with the video shoot. I think this clip is one of the final clips that I got, and this is a clip where I walk across the dealership and heading towards the red GT86. The clip in general is quite dark, but the lighting aimed towards the GT86 make the clip look really good, I think. Okay, so now I will show you the final result of the footage that I got, and it won't be a long edit, but still, it's something I hope you will enjoy. Let's watch it. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I have no idea if this is something I should make more of in the future. You guys have to let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more of these type of videos or not. But yeah, if you like the video, then remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video.